Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the voice control commands on your DJI Osmo Active 6. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then click on this button right here. Now enable voice control, select the language, and these are the voice commands that you can use. So let's try using them now. Start recording. Stop recording. Take photo. Shut down. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.